The world of accounting is changing faster than ever. New technologies, shifting regulations, and global reporting standards are redefining what it means to be a finance professional. If you want to stay relevant, competitive, and future-ready in 2026, these are the 10 accounting skills you must master right now. Welcome to the CPA School, your trusted hub for continuous professional development in accounting and finance. The first essential skill is financial reporting and IFRS mastery. The foundation of every accountant is strong financial reporting. In 2026, employers expect you to understand IFRS updates, disclosure requirements, revenue recognition, lease accounting, fair value measurement, and more. Mastering financial reporting makes you invaluable across industries. The second skill is management accounting and budgeting. Organizations rely on accountants who can interpret numbers and support decision-making. Budgeting, variance analysis, cost control, break-even analysis, and performance measurement remain essential. Management accounting helps you guide strategy, not just report history. The third skill is taxation, both basic and advanced. Tax laws change every year. A finance professional entering 2026 must understand corporate tax, personal tax, VAT or GST, withholding tax, and tax planning strategies. Tax professionals are always in high demand, and the best earn significantly more. The fourth skill is audit and assurance fundamentals. Even with automation, auditing is not going anywhere. You need solid knowledge of risk assessment, controls testing, materiality, sampling, audit evidence, and audit reporting. A strong audit foundation builds professional discipline and credibility. Skill number 5 is financial analysis. This is where accounting meets decision-making. You must know how to interpret financial ratios, analyze profitability, evaluate liquidity and solvency, build dashboards, and communicate insights clearly. Finance leaders value accountants who don't just prepare numbers, but explain what those numbers mean. The sixth skill every finance professional must master is advanced Excel and spreadsheet automation. Excel remains the universal language of finance. In 2026, you must know pivot tables, Power Query, VLOOKUP and SLOOKUP, macros, dashboards, and automation techniques. Excel power skills instantly increase your productivity and value. The seventh skill is accounting software proficiency. Whether you work in practice, industry, or freelancing, software skills are essential. Tools like QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, SAP, Oracle, and Zoho Books are now basic requirements. The more platforms you can use confidently, the more opportunities you unlock. Skill number 8 is data analytics and Power BI. Accounting is no longer about data entry, it's about data interpretation. Power BI, Tableau, and modern data analytics help accountants generate insights, build interactive dashboards, and support strategic decisions. Data-driven accountants are the future of the profession. The ninth skill is AI tools and automation. Artificial intelligence is transforming accounting workflows from reconciliations to audit testing to tax calculations. To stay relevant in 2026, you must understand how to use AI tools such as ChatGPT, AI audit tools, automated bookkeeping systems, and OCR-based document processing. Accountants who embrace AI will rise, and those who ignore it will fall behind. Finally, skill number 10 is communication, ethics, and professional judgment. Beyond technical skills, modern accountants must communicate clearly, act ethically, and make sound professional decisions. You'll need strong writing skills, presentation skills, problem-solving abilities, and the confidence to advise clients and management. Ethical decision-making is more important than ever as regulations tighten and financial transparency becomes a global priority. These 10 skills are the backbone of a successful accounting and finance career in 2026 and beyond. The more you master them, the more valuable, employable, and future-ready you become. If you want simple, practical lessons that help you grow as a modern accountant, subscribe to the CPA School. We create weekly training to help CPAs, ACCA, ICAN, CIMA, CFA, auditors, analysts, and finance professionals stay at the top of their career. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the new era of professional accounting.